Today, the Junior Mentors Club embarks on an exciting day of team building where knowledge and wisdom meet free.
The afternoon started with the opening rituals along with the introduction of hosts, setting a warm tone for the event. The opening remarks were then led by the JMC moderator, Sir Charles Pitang, as he marked the start of the event. The event then proceeded to the team building proper. Each member showcased the essence of fun and collaboration. This was followed by the group sharing and short interview as each member shared their thoughts and insights about the day's event. Next, the Game Masters introduced the awaited icebreaker. Students used their wisdom and wit to emerge as the victors in the prepared games. Furthermore, the turnover ceremony for the outgoing and incoming officers was displayed on stage. Each incoming officer prepped for the responsibilities they may uphold. Lastly, the day concluded with the closing remarks led by the JMC President, Ms. Ariana Fontillas, as she expressed her sincerest gratitude to all members who have made this event possible. She reminded everyone that the legacy of the club shall continue to bear its fruit for the years to come.
As this day ends, do not forget to keep your mind sharp and your spirit unburdened. This has been Azeyah Gutierrez reporting for PETRO TV.